Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Perpetual here. If you're new, you're warmly welcome. And thank you all so much for joining me today as I make the best waakye that you have ever eaten. Come along and let's get started. For the waakye leaves, you want to give it a good rinse just to get rid of any dirt that may be stuck in between it. And for the amount that I'm making, I'm going to have about 8 cups of water, and I'm going to submerge the leaves into it, cover it up, and let it boil for about 30 minutes. At which point I like to remove the leaves from it. If you want a really intense color, you can leave the leaves in there and use it throughout your cooking process. And just a quick reminder that if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that right now and hit the notification bell so that you will know when I upload more amazing videos. After removing the leaves, I'm gonna go in with my beans or black-eyed peas. Just give that a quick rinse as well and add it into your water. To intensify the color, I'm going in with about half a teaspoon of baking soda. This is optional. You can take it out if you're not a big fan of it. And at this point, I'm going to cover it again and allow it to cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. The beans should be almost done cooking, so when you press on it, it will still be firm, but it will be fully cooked. That's the point where you know that your rice can go in. After adding my washed jasmine rice to the beans, I'm going to add some salt to taste. Now that the rice has gone in, I'm going ahead to cover it with a bit of aluminum foil. You can also use parchment paper or you can use a kitchen napkin. And I'm gonna cover it for about 20 minutes until it is almost done. I usually give it one stir in the middle, just like I'm doing right now. And I just wanted to take a moment to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you for your amazing support so far on this YouTube journey. Thank you all so much and God bless you. And after giving it a good stir, I'm gonna go ahead and cover it again for another 10 to 15 minutes just to give it time to fully cook. Look at how amazing this waakye looks. I like my waakye a little sticky, so that's exactly how I have it. I'll put exact measurements in the description box below to let you know how much water to use depending on how you love your waakye. Now, I am a firm believer that every good waakye needs some spaghetti and gari on the side. So we're gonna go ahead and take a little bit of the stew and excess oil from our waakye stew. And we're going to color our spaghetti and our gari with it. You will agree with me that spaghetti and gari can be a little bland, so adding a bit of excess oil from the stew and a little bit of the stew definitely flavors it up very nicely. And for the gari, you're going to start with a few tablespoons of water just to moisten the actual gari up a bit before you go in with your oil and your stew. And just like the spaghetti, you're going to mix it until you get a nice orange color to it. And our waakye is ready to be served. It tasted amazing. And of course, it went with some amazing stew that will be on the channel next week on Tuesday, God willing, along with the fried fish. And of course, the shito recipe is already on the channel. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section when you try any of my amazing recipes out. And I will see you again very soon. Thank you all so much for coming along with me on this delicious journey. Take care, guys.